Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a really smart way to save on trading fees using Bybit cashback rebates. If you're a crypto trader, this is something you definitely don't want to miss. So why should you use Bybit cashback rebates? Simply put, it lets you save 50% on trading fees. Over time, especially for high-volume traders, these savings can really add up, boosting your profits or giving you more capital to reinvest. Activating the rebate feature is completely safe. It doesn't affect your trading speed, market prices, or account security, and it works whether your trades make a profit or not, giving you extra flexibility and efficiency. In this video, I'll also show you how to set up Bybit cashback rebates for both types of users, those who already have a Backcom account and those who don't yet. That way, everyone can start saving on their trading fees right away. For those who haven't signed up yet, here's how it works. First, click on the Bybit registration link provided by Solutes.com. Registering through this link makes sure your account is properly linked so you can get the maximum rebate. Next, on the Bybit homepage, just click the Register button and start creating your account. Use your email to sign up and set a secure password. If you used the Solutes.com link, the referral code will already be filled in automatically. If you registered directly on Bybit.com, just type 60842 in the referral code field. This is super important because it links your account to the Cashback Rebates program. After that, finish all the registration steps as instructed. Make sure your information is accurate to avoid delays. Once that's done, go to your account dashboard and click Verify Now to complete your KYC verification. This step is required to activate your trading privileges and qualify for the cashback rebates. If you already have a Bybit account and are trading without receiving cashback rebates, don't worry. There's a simple way to transfer your verified identity to a new account that's linked to Solutes.com. This way, you can start saving on trading fees without losing your existing verification. First, you need to create a new Bybit account using the Solutes.com referral link, just like in case 1. Make sure you don't complete the KYC verification yet. The identity transfer will handle that for you. Next, log into your old Bybit account and withdraw all your funds to a safe wallet or storage location. This is important because after the identity transfer, you'll have to wait 24 hours before making any withdrawals from both accounts. Then, go to the dashboard of the Bybit app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Select Verified ID to start the identity transfer from your old account to the new one linked to Solutes.com. This ensures your KYC information is securely migrated, keeping your trading privileges intact and making the new account eligible for the cashback rebates. After that, choose Transfer Identity and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once finished, your new account will be automatically verified, while your old account will revert to unverified status. You can then deposit funds into the new verified account and start trading. All eligible trades will receive up to 50% fee rebates through Solutes.com. So to wrap things up, Bybit cashback rebates is a simple yet powerful way to save up to 50% on your trading fees, whether you're a new trader or already have an account. By following the steps we went through today, you can easily set up your account, transfer your verified identity if needed, and start maximizing your trading efficiency. It's all about keeping more of your profits while trading safely and confidently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who want to save on trading fees too. Start using Bybit cashback rebates today and take your trading to the next level.